Welcome back to Lightning Tutorials, Canva edition. These tutorials are short, sweet, and to the point, so let's jump in. So far, we have reviewed how to select a template, how to share it with collaborators, and how to add, delete, and manipulate text. So today, we're going to take a look at elements and how to manipulate those. Elements refer to photos, graphics, video, and audio. Since we're looking at a newsletter template, we are going to focus on photos and graphics. If you're new to Canva, if you haven't seen the other videos in the series, go back and watch those first. Here is our newsletter that we've been playing around with. Let's change it up a little bit. Let's add something to it. I'm going to go over here to Elements. I can search up here for anything that I want. It's going to give me graphics. It's going to give me photos. Yes, you can toggle photos down here, but it's easier if you know what you're looking for just to search for it. Now, I've already searched for something that I want, which is this Nintendo Switch right here. Going to click on that. This doesn't really fit the theme of the school's birthday celebration, but it does fit with what I want to show you. Now, let's say I don't want this behind everything. Remember, you can right-click on the image, and if you click Bring It to Front, it'll bring it all the way in front of everything else, and you can move it around. If you send it to the back, it goes all the way to the back. Okay, so here it is in the front. So you'll notice down here there is a circle of arrows. I can click on that, move it right, move it left, spin it all the way around so I can find the exact placement that I want. Let's leave it at 0 degrees for right now. I'm going to move it out of the way. And I'm going to take this text, which I haven't done anything with, and double click so that I can edit. And let me cut out most of what's here. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my cursor, put it right here so that I can click and move the text. I'll take that text, spin it around just like I would an image, stretch it out, and center it exactly where I want it to be centered. I can go down to the bottom and zoom in to make it easier to work with. So now I can see it a little bit better. I can stretch it out a little bit further, pull that down. Voila, that looks nice. Let me zoom back out. If I want to move both of these at the same time, I'll hold down the Shift button. I'll also click on the image, and now I can drag them down. I can also shrink them at the same time. Doesn't that look nice? Hard to read from here, but if we zoom in, if this were printed, then we could easily read that. So you could use that as a sidebar for your article. Clearly, you would want something that works with the theme of your newsletter, but that's how you do it. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to access the templates and choose one, share it with collaborators, manipulate the text, also add. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to select a template, how to share that template with other people so that they can edit it, how to manipulate the text, how to add pictures and So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to select a template, share that template with collaborators, manipulate the text, and add photographs. Now you may have noticed the very top of this newsletter, the banner image has changed to a bowl of cat food, and this newsletter now just looks simply insane. But there's a reason for that. The next video is our last video, and it is going to show you how to employ different types of banners using something called frames and how to manipulate your images and use different filters. Hopefully you watch that one as well, because that can really show you how to make a solid newsletter or article, something really eye-catching. Enjoy.